This is the list stacking macro. Now, this is a really cool tool because what it'll do is let you take two lists and let you find common sellers on that list. Um, so for example, you might have like a non-warranty deed list, which is a great list, and then you might maybe download, say, a tax delinquent list from your county, and you can stack the two and find the sellers that are on both those lists using this macro. Now, what's important to note is that you can change this, so you can compare name, address, mailing address, property address, doesn't matter, and you can select up to 10 different columns to compare. And if all of the selected columns match, then it'll spit that out at the end. So in our case, I'm just going to compare the mailing address, which is already set for the first four rows, but I don't need column 5. So I'm just going to backspace out K, and then I'm going to select my files. So run macro, I'm going to select the first one, my sample macro, click open, then it'll pop up again. I'm going to select the second file, which is right there, click open, and now it has given me, let's see, we've got 91 names that were on both those lists, which is great. So these are 91 people that were on two different lists. Now I could, if I want to take it even further, now I can take this list and stack it against another one, maybe code violations, and it might get me down to like 20 or 30 names. And those would be super motivated people that you may even want to door knock on. But that's it. That's how this works, and very, very effective. We use it all the time in our business, and I would tell you to do the same.